Hi, welcome to DIY FI. We recently bought this property, which we intend to house hack into a cash-flowing rental.
We hope you find value in this week's episode. Please hammer down on that like button and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all the financial details of our project. Enjoy the show.
All right, good morning. So yesterday we got about half of the pipe ran back into the house. Today I'm going to finish up all the plumbing, backfill the hole, and hopefully build the walls. And then tomorrow, after I've made sure that all the plumbing is in the correct location based on the new wall, I will come back in and concrete everything tomorrow. Something else we need to fix that I noticed is that I damaged the water supply line coming into the house. As you can see, my trench is full of water. I guess somewhere in the process I damaged this copper line coming in. I looked and it looks like it's leaking from up in here somewhere. I'll have to dig that area out, figure out where the leak is, and then go ahead and repair it. This is the main drain line coming out of the house, the original, and I've repaired it now. It's got a no hub coupling with no hub glue, so hopefully roots won't grow in there on this. And then this is going to the new restroom. So it's not completed yet. It's glued up to this joint right here. Today I'm going to glue everything here. I've got an assortment of fittings to see how I'm going to make it work. And then my elbow clean out, and then that's where the washing machine drain is. And again, there's going to be a clean out going that direction from that fitting right there. Alright, so we've got a leak at this connection here. The problem is this whole pipe is full of water, and there's no way to drain it. So my only option is to cut this, and then it sounds kind of crude, but I'm going to go inside and blow in this line through one of the vanity fittings and blow as much water out as I can. And that's physically blowing on the thing because I don't have an air compressor connection. So I'm going to cut this coupling off and then get set up so I can solder again. All right, so about to blow this fitting out. Here it goes. That's it. All right, so I've got this wall positioned where I want it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scab this wall into place using some scrap 2x4s, and I'm going to screw them into this existing wall in this other bedroom. And then what I'm going to do is come up here with the 1x and the shims and kind of wedge the wall in place, make sure it's straight, square, and level, and then we'll screw it into the top trusses.
Alright, so before I cover the hole back up, I feel like y'all are listening to me and you're making fun of me.
No. I just didn't know what scraping is quiet.
No, the scraping, it's okay.
Okay.
Alright, so before I cover the hole back up, I just wanted to go over what's going on here with the new plumbing. So first, at the very end of the line, we have a toilet flange. It 90s down, and about 6 inches later, we have a Y. From that Y comes up into the wall to the vent. The sink will also drain into this vent, and this vent will serve as the vent for the entire bathroom. So all 3 fixtures will be vented off the one single 2-inch line. A little further down the line, we have a 45-degree Y. From that Y, we have another 45 that goes into a P-trap for the shower. So the whole purpose behind a P-trap is just so sewage gases don't get back up into the house from the main sewer line. Basically, so you don't have to smell your neighbor's crap in your bathroom. So when I concrete over all this, I'm actually going to leave a small box here so that I can manipulate this pipe over slightly if I need to. The toilet flange will be completely concreted, as well as the vent line. Alright, it's day 7. Today we're going to pour the concrete here in the bathroom. My dad's here helping me. We're also going to get all this junk hauled off, all the old trim. I've got my little concrete mixer set up here. We'll start mixing concrete and get to pouring. Alright, so up until today we spent about $700 on this remodel, but today we went in and bought almost everything we need for the rest of the job. All the drywall, new bathtub, toilet, vanity, fixtures, the electrical equipment, brand new doors. Every door in the house will be brand new now. What else? All the plumbing stuff, so every plumbing fitting that we need, all that has been purchased. Like I said, the total is about $3,800, and once the job's complete, we'll go over the exact expenses, so you can see exactly what this deal cost us. But anyway, we'll get started unloading this stuff, and then we got to go back for the rest of it.
You want her to eat? I don't know. They might have lunch.
No, because you didn't score when
You gonna unload this stuff?
No.
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 Our current totals for the project are $11,800 for closing costs, $108.31 for equipment rental, $4,928.24 for materials, and $38.58 for meals. Total is $16,875.13. If you're enjoying our content, please consider subscribing. And as always, don't forget to hammer down on that like button.